pertama di Indonesia. New Honda Stylo 160.
Matic 160cc Premium Fashionable.
Melajulah bersama style terbaru.
When fashion
Meets power.
dalam kombinasi desain modern classic
Dan mesin bertenaga. Jadi kekuatan yang menginspirasi.
Pancarkan pesonamu. Lebih percaya diri dengan tampilan yang memukau. Bergerak lebih berkelas.
Melaju dengan bangga.
Jadi yang paling fashionable. New
Honda Stylo
160.
160. Fashion meets power.
Was really good. Just disappointed. We should have taken a bad goal. Then the second half it slowly changed because obviously Sleman also need to score and to win. So we're a little bit more on defending situations, but still had one or two chances to score in the second half. But overall, I'm pleased. Sometimes you can play good, sometimes not. But even in second half, if not play so good and still win, that means it's also a good team. But disappointed about the goal because many players come after the game say there was a lot of pushing, and that's why some of the players stopped thinking free kick. But the referee say no.
Coach Paul bilang tadi di babak pertama permainan Persebaya sangat bagus, meskipun seharusnya ada peluang gol lagi yang harusnya tercipta menjadi gol. Terus kemudian di babak kedua PSS melakukan beberapa perubahan yang mereka kemudian lebih agresif dalam situasi seperti itu. Persebaya memperkuat pertahanan. Ya, sepak bola kadang ada main bagus, kadang kurang bagus. Tapi overall apapun hasilnya ini menjadi bagus karena Persebaya memenangkan pertandingan ini. Tapi Coach Paul juga berkomentar tentang bagaimana terjadinya gol PSS tadi. Ada banyak dorongan yang dilakukan terhadap pemain gelaran Persebaya, tapi ya itu sudah terjadi dan Persebaya hari ini menang dan meraih 3 poin.
Assalamualaikum, selamat sore semua. Buat pertandingan sore ini kami semua tim bermain sangat bagus, kompak, dan alhamdulillah kami bisa dapat 3 poin.
We've been, my training's a lot on tactical, also mental and physical with the players. Iqbal is a different type of player for us in the midfield, so he has a specific role for the team. And then obviously when I take Iqbal out, it's purely tactical situations, and he understands. He's a team player, good player, like I say, and I'm surprised this was his first goal because it's good. He's getting in good situations now. Last game against Persita Sama, he had a shot, but this time this one was better. But he knows, and everyone has to keep improving because competition is high. Everyone's fighting to start, which is good for me because the level is high. But happy about the goal because it's what we want is that first goal, and then the second goal, and then the third goal.
Selama di Persebaya banyak melatih secara fisikal dan secara mental untuk meningkatkan permainan Persebaya. Dan Iqbal adalah pemain dengan kemampuan khusus yang nggak dimiliki oleh pemain-pemain lain di tengah Persebaya. Dan kalaupun tadi dia diganti, itu pure untuk taktikal, karena kebutuhan taktikal dia harus ditarik keluar. Dan Coach Paul bilang ya itu gol yang sangat bagus, dia juga surprise juga, terkejut bisa mencetak gol seperti itu. Tapi sebenarnya juga lawan Persita, Iqbal pernah membuat tembakan jarak jauh yang hampir mencetak gol juga, tapi yang baru hari ini yang berhasil.
Buat gol pertama tadi itu emang pertama taktik kita juga dari Coach Paul. Kita harus main high gitu kan, dari Victor ke Bruno, terus second ball-nya itu gelandang harus siap juga. Terus kita di latihan juga banyak shoot dari luar kotak penalti. surprise juga, nggak nyangka juga bisa cetak gol secepat itu.
Golnya buat siapa?
Buat keluarga, buat bonek, bonita semua, buat Persebaya.
First of all, he's a good person. He's been in Persebaya a long time. He knows the history. He knows the fans. He's been here a long time, and he's a Persebaya player. And for me, that's a type of captain that I want. For me, penalty, it's a good goal. But if he do the Panenka and miss, then he will have a big problem with me. But he has the confidence. He's that type of player. For me, if he's whatever type of penalty it is, the most important that it's a goal. Kadik, because again, I'm only here dua bulan, so getting to know the players, talking to the players, finding out about their history, because all these players are new. I haven't coached any of these players before, but I know Kadik's history. Can play centre back, can play balance midfield. Good player, good passing player, good guy, big. So it's good. I like players who can play two positions and not just one, and he's happy to play. So it's good for me to make tactical situations like that, and Kadik it's good that I have that option.
Gol, mau Panenka mau apa yang penting gol, dan dia senang. Yang penting penalti cetak gol. Terus kemudian soal Kadek, dia di sini baru 2 bulan, masih terus mencari-cari tipikal permainannya seperti apa. Nah, Kadek dia melihat Kadek bisa bermain di posisi center back maupun gelandang bertahan.
Intelligent player. Punya
kemampuan passing yang bagus, punya badan yang besar, dan secara taktikal dia hari ini puas dengan permainan Kadek di posisi sebagai gelandang bertahan. Yang lain silakan. Oke, teman-teman, Coach akan lanjutkan evaluasi di ruang ganti. Meskipun hasilnya positif, Coach tetap evaluasi.
I'ma get it, you know I be on the run, yeah. It's all hard, ain't no fear here.